Hi guys, 3D Find My Life here, back with another video. This time we are going to talk about Lineux Hotswap, the new hot end changer, which we have done. Right now it's running. So we're going to talk a bit about what is Lineux Hotswap, and now that it's printing, there's also some changes that I'm going to be doing first before I will be releasing the files to the public. Firstly, shout out to TXY who created the CX changer. This Lineux Hotswap is inspired by CX changer, although it's not a CX changer, but we are inspired by them, and this is mostly will be our current the format is now, the status that is now since it's printing. So this will be the release version. There's some changes that I need to make before I release it. Yeah, okay, let me explain a bit. On the Carriage itself is different from the Linux Stealth version, the tool changer, because there will be wires from the Carriage, the stepper extruder, stepper motors, and the extruder gears, the 5015 fan, the EBB toolboard, the probe, the LEDs are all on the Carriage. So there will be the umbilical here. This is the canvas wire, 4 wires here from the Carriage itself. And from the tool there will be the hot end, the thermistor, and also the hot end fan. So 6 wires from the tools itself. So since the probe is on the Carriage right now, so we can basically do the homing without needing a tool on the Carriage itself. So there's one plus point, one good thing about it is you don't need any tool on the Carriage because of the probe there. So as you can see, the changes that I need to make is the duct is now currently not very good. The airflow, as you can see from the water test, is blowing a bit in front. So I'm going to change the duct to direct the air better. I'm not using the SimFlow CFM test because I'm just doing roughly based on my gauge. And the next thing is for the tool itself. So for the tool there will be the, I take it from the side. So from the tool there will be the hot end, the thermistor, and also the part cooling fan. The hot end fan. So this tool is compatible with a lot of hot ends. As you can see, there's a V6 CHP. This is the Triangle Lab CHC Pro. It's also compatible with Revo, Voron, Rapido, High Flow, and also the TZ V6 also is compatible. And as we go along, we'll try to add more and more hot ends. And that's it basically for the tool. It's very simple, very light now, because there's no toolboard itself, no LEDs, no anything else. It's just the hot end, thermistor, and the part cooling fan. And also the layout down here, we have 3 stainless steel bushing as usual. This is mostly the same system as what we have on Linux Stealth, with the cap nuts and also the 8x5 magnets from our Linux Stealth itself. So, and for the dog, there's the nozzle blocker as well, adjustable, but there's no drip tray. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt down here, so I will need to maybe make another drip tray so that it can be collected inside. And as for the tool chain itself, this dowel pin on the dog will engage with the Carriage lever here, latch here, and open up the latch so that the filament can come out. So there's no servo on the Carriage itself. There's no servo, only passive movement, mechanical movement to open the extruder gear and to draw off the tool. And it's using the HGX gears, not the V2 gears. This is using the V1 gears. So it's using that. And I have here a print, that I have printed previously with this, and the quality is very good. As you can see down here, the quality, except for the chin here because of the overhang, and the cooling is the air, like I mentioned, is not sufficiently blown. So that's is the overhang is quite bad, but I'm going to change the duct. And as you can see, the quality is very good. So it's almost ready. Just a little bit of changes next that I need to do, so that we can do the finalization and also to release it. So for the umbilical of the tools, as you can see from here, it will go up all the way to the umbilical hub at the back here, and this is using a cable tie so that it keeps the umbilical straight up, not bending, because for this VisiBoard you can fit a maximum of 10 tools down here, 10 tools. So we need a very stiff umbilical so that it holds its position. And I think I will just install 6 tool max, because I'm going for the full spectrum CMYK, and also black or white, and also the support material. So 6 tool I will be using. There's a maximum of 10 tools that you can fit down here. And this is a VisiBoard 330 running on a dock slide, as you can see. Another changes that I need to make is, if the carriage is printing below the docks here, the umbilical will hit this nozzle blocker. So I will need to redesign the nozzle blocker a bit, or increase the height a bit for the dock slide, so that it can print down here without interfering. And yeah, basically that's it. Now I'm just test printing some items, some things, so that I can finalize the whole thing and release the file. Thanks also a lot, thank you so much to all our beta testers in the Discord server. They are doing the Lineux Hotswap as well, and they gave some very valuable feedbacks, ideas, changes that I need to make, or some design, so that it will be as optimized as it can be. And thanks a lot to them, appreciate them, and hopefully we can get this up and running soon. And once I complete this, I will then install it on my Linux Hive down here, the Voron 2.4, and also will be doing the same thing. Right now it's running Linux Stealth with 2 toolhead. So for this I will be running, and maybe in the future also the Linux Link also I will change it to a Linux Hotswap. So this will be our future project going along, and hopefully that it will be as optimized, and you guys can start to do the version as well also. So do subscribe to the channel, guys, and also give a like and join us in Discord, and hopefully we can be released, and I will do some more testing. So see you guys in the next video. And also forget to tell you that Melo 3D will be sending me the new nozzle offset calibration. They call it the 0 precision. For the nozzle offset calibration, they will be sending me that, and also the small toolhead board, so that I will be installing it to replace the ABB to make it lighter. And also I will be testing the 0 position nozzle offset calibration tool for Linux Hotswap as well. So I will put that in another video once the items arrive here, and catch you guys in the next video, and see you.